Hi, this is Lauren from York Nordic, and I wanted to demonstrate how to shorten the bungee cord in your travel walking poles. If you take your poles out of the bag and you find that they don't quite jump into place as tightly as you'd like, there's too much play here in the intersection point, it's not a problem at all to quickly shorten the bungee cord. So you take the grip section off of the pole. You need a pair of needle nose pliers or something sharp and pinchy, even tweezers, so that you can reach in here and grab the end of the bungee cord like so. It comes out of the end, and there are these slots here, and you simply pull the cord out and thread it through one of those slots, and that will hold it in place like that, and then you have plenty of room to make a knot. Don't make the knot too low. It doesn't really take too much, and once you cut it off you can't get it back, as you know. So I'd make a knot, pretty close to the other knot, tighten it, and then simply snip off that end that you don't need, pull it back out to release it from that little notch, let it go, and then you'll find that it has a great snap. And that's how you quickly shorten the bungee cord to get more snap in your pole.